Hello everyone, this is my homework solution to Paul McWhorter's processing mouse clicks in OpenCV. Now, just before the video starts, I did not completely complete the homework, since the homework assignment was to have a frame and use a mouse click. So when you left click down, you start the top left corner of the region of interest, and then when you let go, you got the bottom right. So this is the bottom right, and this is the top left, and then it makes a little region of interest, and it moves that window right over here. And then when you right click, that window should disappear. So all I was able to do was just get the region of interest with the left mouse click, but I was not able to destroy it with the right click. Let me just show you what I mean. So looks like I'm having an error. I'm going to click the play button. And I'm going to left click down, drag it, and then release. And I have my region of interest made for my mouse. Now, the only thing missing is when I right click, it should destroy that window. So here's this. When I right click, it just pauses the window. So there's a problem with that, because if you stop showing image, it doesn't destroy it, it pauses it. So after I half completed the homework, I looked at Paul McWhorter's solution, and I saw he used the command cv2.destroy window, and he never showed that in his processing mouse click videos. He's never shown that command. So is it part of the homework assignment for us to look for these new commands that could help us? I'm not really sure. So if you know about that, that would be a huge help, because I would try a lot harder for looking at new commands and stuff. Thank you for watching.